So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to react a image note on Instagram. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now this is the home page of your Instagram account, and you should have to tap on lower bottom of your screen where you will find your message inbox. So tap on it. Now scroll down and you will see the option of images which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Now tap on plus icon, then select a reaction like this. Now see, you have successfully reacted on a image note. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.